All I did was downloaded it from the App Store, went onto the app, told them what it was. It had every option on there, worktop, what material it was. It's just literally just there for you. You just press the button, go down, send it off, and the guys come out and make it happen. Absolutely unbelievable, you know, because obviously damages happen in all parts of your house, whether it's your sofa, your flooring, your worktop. When the damage to this happened, which I'm sure you've seen, I panicked massively because a big lump off. There was a corner over there. I was like, oh my God, I'm never going to be able to get this worktop again. It's so rare. And you've literally made it look brand new. Just never thought that there'd be a company. I just never knew who to, you know, I thought the only way to get that right is Magic. Yeah. And then I Googled and Magicman come up. Absolutely unbelievable, yeah. So if you are looking for stuff to be repaired in your home because you want it to look brand new, something you had done a little while ago, Magicman is your answer. It's honestly magic. Worktops, floors, different materials, wood. If you've got burn holes, dents, anything like that, it can be fixed as proven here. I thought this was going to be the hardest job and the one they wouldn't be able to do. Bought it up brand new. Magicman is magic.